Playworks. I once again welcome you all for our Father's Day celebration. Thank you. Now over to Mahima.
Thank you, Shakti ma'am, for the good welcome note. My dear beloved parents and my dear kids, ஈன்று புறந்தருதல் என் தலை கடனே, சான்றோனாக்குதல் தந்தைக்கு கடனே. Valluvar rightly pivoted the unique role played by a father in a child's life. When mother gives us the body, right? Father gives us the soul. He's our first superhero. While I'm saying this, I'm thinking about my own father. Now, no matter how old he grows, right? He still stays so. Why do we celebrate Father's Day? Well, we do one have for our mothers, then why don't we celebrate for our fathers? Not like that. We should definitely acknowledge their sacrifices financially, mentally, emotionally, and physically, more importantly, right? So we celebrate this Father's Day so that the kids acknowledge their sacrifices, and this is celebrated wide over the world, across in many countries on third Sunday of every year, June month. Okay, so thank you all for giving your time for your kids and to us on this wonderful celebration. And this is going to be the first celebration of our Playworks school for this academic year. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to speak about you, wonderful superheroes. Thank you.
Father's Day celebration, we are planning something surprise, which is very, it's like a gift to all the fathers. More activities are waiting, and you're going to do, and you're going to enjoy with your child today.
So over to Maha and Shakti for the WhatsApp for the activities.
Yes, Mahima. Yes, Daniel.
Yeah, Shakti, please go ahead.
Okay, Mahima. Okay, parents, are you all ready with your materials? They have already sent you some messages, right? You all have some chart sheet or paper, whatever you have, you can take it. Okay. Yes, I have a chart sheet here. You can fold it. Actually, it is like this. You can fold it. Yes. You can fold it like this. Yes, with your child.
Yeah.
Yes.
This
Yes,
activity
Dania.
is for both of you to do together. So
Yes,
parents, please participate.
You can take all your materials, I mean crayons, scissors, glue, all these things. Okay. So first you have to take this sheet and you can fold it like this. Okay. So that you will get two headgears. We are going to make headbands for father and the son, or daughter or parents. Okay. Yes. Can we all do that? Did you all fold it? Yes. I can see a thumbs up. Yes. Okay. Very good. Yeah. So let me draw it on the board so that you will be able to see it. Okay. Just on the paper. You can draw it on the paper. The design is like this, actually, with the pencil or whatever you have. Just 3 lines like this. When you draw it on the, I'll just draw and show you. Okay. Yeah. Yes, it will be like this, actually. Parents, are you all able to see that? Yes. Okay, this will be the design. Yes. Before cutting, you can give the crayons to your children so that they may color it. They'll color it here. Then we can cut the sheet.
Normally
And
we
ask
do
the
it in
kids
the,
to, yes,
yeah, normally we do it in the school. So, we used to have a headgear or some handband, something ready while the parents come in. Those who were with us for years know how we normally do. We thought we should not miss any fun. So,
வேற எங்க கலர் பண்ணனும்? கலர் எப்ப எந்த இடத்துல பண்ணனும்?
in the middle. நீங்க full color பண்ணலாம். Anyway, we are going to cut like this. ஆமா, இதுக்குள்ள. Yes.
ஒரு கலர் யூஸ் மல்டி கலர் யூஸ் பண்ணலாமா ஒவ்வொரு இதுக்கு?
You can use multicolors. You can use multicolors. Yeah, that will be fine. Your creativity. Yes. Even I had in mind multicolors. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. We just joined. It was late for us. Sorry.
Okay.
No,
It's okay.
no problem, Aditi Amma. Maybe
You want different color, same color.
Yeah, his dad, her dad is not available right now, so I joined the.
No problem. Like you can help her to make a headgear and ask her to make her wear to his head, right? That will be really fun. Yeah. Maybe you need a A4 sheet or a cardboard sheet. Hi, Aditi.
Say hi.
Yes. I'm coloring.
Yeah, I have a A4 sheet then.
Then you have to fold it.
Yes.
And
You're
maybe-
going to fold it. Yes, you're going to fold it like this. You're going to draw a line like this. Zigzag lines. Only just 3 lines.
Okay.
And we can use multicolors. It's up to your creativity.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because they are a good companion, right?
Okay.
They're enjoying. Just relaxing from their daily stress, right?
Yes. Yeah.
மீனா மேம் இந்த மாதிரி கோடெல்லாம் போட்டு கலர் பண்ண சொன்னா எனக்கு தான் stress ஆயிடும். அதுதான் stress ஆயிடும்.
Yes. After coloring it, even I had a multicolor here. Okay. After coloring it, you can color it. I mean, you can use the scissors to cut it.
Can you show me?
Shakti ma'am, show it closely. Those parents who has joined late. Konju pinna. Is it visible now? You can pin up Shakti ma'am on the screen. Shakti is on the Playwork Seleyur ID. Yeah, please.
Yeah.
You can pin her up. If somebody is not able to see, Shakti, cutting also, Shakti aunty, if you could show this way and then cut it to this naked line. Yeah, where are you going to cut? Can you draw a line?
On the line.
Yes, like that. Yeah, please. Yeah, good.
Ma'am, you can use any color.
Any color. It's up to your creativity. I just want to see colorful bands on the head. Yes.
Coloring?
Yes, yes.
Color பண்ணுங்க
The other piece cut பண்ண அப்புறம் you will get 2 pieces.
ஒரு ரெண்டுமே.
The other piece was
One father
I know.
Okay.
Maybe one piece நீங்க கலர் பண்ணுங்க, one piece அவங்க கலர் பண்ணட்டும். So that அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு company
The child will color.
will feel better.
Yes.
Yeah, Sai Sarangan finished and he's showing it. Good.
Very good.
Some of the fathers are not seen inside the screen. Can we just have you on the screen, please, with the child?
And பண்ணும்போது maybe you can சொல்லிட்டே பண்ணலாம். இது எதுக்காக பண்றோம்? We are doing this for Father's Day.
Yeah.
I can see few younger siblings helping their father by taking the stationery, crayons, scissors. They are helping whatever they can do.
Lingesh
very
did that. Lingesh did that. Nice. Riyanika Amma, we are happy to have you also as Thai Manavan mattum illa Thandai Manavarum irukkirar.
Yes. I can see all the fathers, they are doing it very
Yeah, that's really good. Actually, இது நாங்க ஸ்கூல்ல வச்சிருந்தோம்னா நிறைய கேம்ஸ்லாம் வச்சிருப்போம். We used to add lots of fun, you know. Pick up I remember one thing, you know, which we played, and one of the pick up a, let's see how your wife scolds you. And something the neither of the child and the wife know what is that you have done during your childhood, and shocking revelations came in that time. Yeah. Lingesh did that. There is one more child. I don't know the child name. I believe Karthik Murugan is the parent name.
Yugan is
Yugan, where is Niyaka?
Yes.
Yugan. Inia had class. Inia is having her class today.
Oh, she's having her class. Okay, good. I'm sorry.
very nice. Very nice.
Beautiful.
Hey, wow, that's nice.
Yes. You can have a thread or woolen thread. Enna irukko,
Wow.
you can use that and tie it. Whatever it is. Sai Achika.
Nikita is showing. Rafael is
Sai
showing.
Kritik.
Sai
Yes,
Darshan.
You like that?
Vivek.
You can use
Sai Kritik. Sai Kritik is also showing. And
yes.
Sai Darshan is also showing. Gavin Sarvesh. Rafael. Sai Kritik, your headgear is ready. You can collect it.
Can do this. Okay.
Yes. You can use thread or anything, whatever you have, you can put a hole, you can tie it like this. Yes.
So Shaktiman, you're going to tie it on your father's head today?
Yeah.
They enjoyed a lot doing all these activities, and we made them to play many other games, right?
They drew
that, yeah.
tail and all for an elephant.
If we finish this part, we can do that.
Yes, sir. Mahadev father is asking something.
That's what we can do. Okay.
Very student father is also showing it. Very student father.
Yeah, very nice, very nice.
You can tie it like this. So that every child and father can.
Kausi Amma, you have any questions in that கேளுங்க.
ஆமா, ஏதாவது தேவைன்னா கேளுங்கம்மா.
ஹெல்ப் பண்றோம். யுகன் ஒரு வாட்டி வெச்சு காமியே எனக்கு அந்த ஹெட் கியர்.
Yes, you can have it. You can tie both the sides. You can tie the thread and அப்படியே எடுத்து தலையில போட்டுக்கலாம். Fine.
Very nice.
Okay, the father and the son. It's very nice. Maha ma'am, how is it?
Super ma'am. You look like a
Shadi ma'am, super இருக்கு.
Thank you, Sana. ஆமா. போய் பாருங்க.
சூப்பரா இருக்கு.
Wow, nice. I can see all the parents and the
நல்லா இருக்கா? சூப்பரா இருக்குல்ல? அழகா பண்ணிட்டீங்க. Good. Very nice, Advik.
Ma'am,
yes.
Amrita also finished. Nice, Amrita.
Snap.
Parents, please help us with the photographs. Okay. Indian?
Wow. Indian. Very nice Indian.
One
Wow.
more person is showing.
நீங்க அப்பாக்கு போட்டு விட்டுருங்க. அப்பாக்கு போடுங்க. Indian.
அப்பாக்கு photo
You
எடுங்க.
look very pretty.
Yeah.
அம்மா கொண்டு
Ma'am, Aditi,
போடுங்க.
மதர்ஸ் டே அப்ப அம்மாக்கு போடலாம்டா.
Very concerned about amma.
ask ma'am, how is it?
Yes.
Ask mom.
How is it?
Wow. Very
Very
nice.
nice. So cute, Ra.
Nice, Aditi.
Looking like a little prince and little princess.
Thank you.
If you have a sibling, if they have a sibling, very good and nice. If they have a sibling, you know, please make one more for the sibling also.
Advait. Advait, come here.
Advait, very nice Advait.
Ready, ma'am.
Super, super, super. Can you reposition
Yeah.
with me, please?
Divya.
Aditi dear, nice, nice.
Aditi.
Beautiful. Okay, one
May I know
more.
the child name? Divya.
Needu.
And then
Amma, this
Needu.
who's the child name?
Nice.
Soothing, relaxed music. I'm sorry. Magilana.
Magilan. Nice.
Beautiful. Piresudan Appa also.
Very nice.
Okay, can you take a photo? Dani ma'am.
See, I can see many parents and many kids. The kids are hugging their fathers and they are kissing. Wow, that's really good actually. Happy to see you.
okay. I think I am done with my activity, right? So
Yes.
everybody is done. Yeah.
Very
I can
nice.
see. Yes, clap for yourself, all of you. Very nice. Yay! Yes, good, good, good.
Very good.
Yes, very good children, very good fathers. Yes, thank you all. Yes. Yes, over to you, Maha ma'am. You ready?
Maha ma'am, before you start up the activity, can you give me 2 minutes?
Maybe a small request.
Maha ma'am, before you start your activity, can I have 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. Father's a gentle request. Actually, suddenly I got this thought. Instead of sending some other picture with your child, why can't you send this photo? That is, you're wearing a crown and your child is wearing a crown, which you made together with your child, right? So you can have a picture, clear picture with you and your son or a daughter or even the children sitting by your side, wearing that crown. Along with that, whatever activity now Maha ma'am is going to do, you can hold that activity also. Of course, it's going to be very much exciting, the next activity. Okay, so that you can take a clear picture and you can send. So for the parents, those fathers, those who are not able to join with their children and they are away from their children, no problem. You can send the other pictures, already taken pictures. That is the father-son picture which you have already taken. You can post that picture also. Okay, so this will be a memorable picture. That's what we are suggesting. Okay. Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. So, kids, are we ready for the next activity? At the activity, Polama. என்ன வச்சிருக்கீங்க கையில? What do you have in your hand? Do you have this drawing? வச்சிருக்கீங்களா? Everybody, do you have? அப்பா இதை எழுதி வைக்கலாம்னா நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. டாடி இதை எழுதி கொடுங்க, எனக்கு இதை எழுதி கொடுங்க. நான் இதுக்கு என்ன பண்ண போறேன்? நான் இந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டி பண்ண போறேன். எனக்கு இதை எழுதி கொடுங்கன்னு கேளுங்க. ஓகே? ஓகே. இதை எழுதி வச்சிருக்கீங்கன்னா என்ன பண்ணலாம் பாப்பா? போலாமா? ஆக்டிவிட்டி உள்ளார போலாமா? ஆண்டி கையில ஏதோ வச்சிருக்கேனே. என்னது இது? What is this? It's an earbud. Parents, be very careful while giving this. If you don't have an earbud, that's completely fine. Yes. Okay. If you don't have an earbud, give them a cotton illa cloth. If nothing is available, use their pointer finger. That's more than enough. And you need a paint. Konja paint vechkonga. Any watercolor paint is perfectly fine, right? Easily available. You'll have it already in your home. ஓகே போலாமா? வாட்டர் கலர் வச்சிருக்கீங்களா? எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச கலர் எது தெரியுமா? எனக்கு வந்து 2-3 கலர் பிடிக்கும். ஆனா எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச கலர் வந்து ரெட் கலர். உங்களுக்கு எந்த கலர் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்? எந்த கலர் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் உங்களுக்கு? yellowவா, blueவா? blue கலரா? yellowவா, orangeஆ? எந்த கலர் பிடிக்கும்? ஓ சரி. வேற என்னென்ன? வேற என்ன? violet. ஓகே. வேற என்ன கலர் பிடிக்கும்? ரெட் இருக்கு, yellow இருக்கு, blue இருக்கு, பிங்க் இருக்கு, green இருக்கு, black, எல்லா கலரும் இருக்கு. ஆனா ஆண்டி என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க? ஆண்டி is going to take a red color and trace it. நான் இது மேல நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? இந்த பிக்சர்ல நம்ம ட்ரேஸ் பண்ண போறோம் ரெட் கலர் வச்சு. எஸ், இதுல என்ன எழுதி இருக்கு? இந்த பிக்சர்ல என்ன எழுதி இருக்கு? My daddy is best daddy in the world. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? எங்க அப்பா தான் எனக்கு ரொம்ப if you have nothing in your hands, that's fine. Take your pointer finger and use it. Nothing like using your hands, right? Okay, now take it. The red color எடுத்துக்கோங்க. எடுத்துட்டு ஆண்டி என்ன பண்ண போறேன்? ஆண்டி is going to trace. Come on everybody, see here. See here, நான் எப்படி ட்ரேஸ் பண்றேன்? ஒரு ஸ்டாண்டிங் லைன் அது மேலேயே ட்ரேஸ் பண்றேன்ல, அது மேலேயே இப்படி அழகா ட்ரேஸ் பண்றேன். கலர் தீந்து போச்சுன்னா என்ன பண்ணும்? you have to take more. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் எடுத்துக்கணும் நம்ம. ஓகேவா? கமான், இத நீங்களே பண்ணுங்க பாப்போம். டாடியோட லிட்டில் ஹெல்ப்ல பண்ணுங்க. கொஞ்சம் தண்ணி எடுத்து நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? பெயிண்ட்ல மிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டு we are going to trace it. ஓகேவா? எடுத்துக்கோங்க. காட்டன்ல இத நீங்களே பண்ணலாமே. ஓகே, ஒரு லெட்டருக்கு ஒரு கலர் கொடுக்கணும்னாலும் கொடுத்துக்கலாம். நான் ரெட் கலருக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன கலர் தெரியுமா கொடுக்க போறேன்? I am going to give a green color. And here you go. Yay, this is lot fun illa? Colors oda play பண்றது இல்ல, and especially with water and color. I'm mixing green. நான் என்ன பண்றேன்? I'm mixing the green color mix பண்ணிட்டு next letter trace பண்ண போறேன். You get a green color. Wow. நல்லா இருக்குல்ல இந்த மாதிரி பண்றது? சூப்பரா இருக்குல்ல ட்ரேஸ் பண்றது? And easy too. Fathers, please don't hold your kids' hands. Let them do on their own. And if it doesn't come well, that's perfectly fine. Ultimately, it's their activity and they will do it. And you can watch it. If they need really help, you can definitely do help them.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not an activity. You are dancing for your father.
Nice.
I think when we say celebration, they tend to dance.
Yeah.
Hey, now I got the yellow one. I'm tracing the next letter with the yellow one. Right? Pre-K parents, kindly guide them. Like they may need help for pre-K, but L and U, I think they'll manage. And then I'm going with a orange, yellow. First, red. And then I gave a green, and then I gave a yellow. Now I'm going to give a orange. That is the orange. Oh, Shakti, that's a bad plan.
Good deal.
One small advice to the parents: if you are feeling so stressed because of this all this pandemic issue and workload, you can sit with your child for 10 minutes, not daily, just weekly once. Okay, either Sunday or Saturday. Weekly once, you can sit with your child, take the colors, do all the stuff, whatever you can. It is really creating a very good stress buster, actually.
That's right, Meena ma'am. அதுக்கப்புறம் யார் ஃப்ளோர் கிளீன் பண்ணுங்கிறதையும் சேர்த்து சொல்லுங்க.
அது அவங்க தான் பண்ணோம்.
இத நீங்க சொல்லிடுவீங்க, அப்புறம் அந்த அம்மா எல்லாம் வந்து
மதர்ஸ் அப்புறம் அவ்வளவுதான். மதர்ஸ் டென்ஷன் ஆயிடுவாங்க.
I think Meena ma'am, you have to give the statutory warning.
Yes.
Yes. Maha ma'am?
Yeah.
I couldn't see the child name. Prem Kumar is the display name. Child name, please. Rafael did that. I think it was a handwritten one. Very beautiful.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Sri Priya.
So nice, so nice, so nice.
Prem Kumar.
Pratiksha, right? Pratiksha, right?
Pratiksha. Adira, Needu Adira.
Neetu Adira.
Needu Anitra, Anitra.
Yeah, yeah, Neetu Adira. Neetu
Anitra, Sri Priya.
Yes, yes, Kanama. Beautiful. And Yuvan has also finished. Yuvan also did. Neetu Atira did. And Sai Harshita is showing.
Pratiksha.
Pratiksha, wa? Yeah, Pratiksha is also doing. Very nice. Very nice.
Very
Sai
nice,
Saravanan.
Raja. Don't have to, it need not be perfect. That's fine.
Very nice, very nice. Radha Kannan. Mrs. Radha Kannan, child.
Yeah.
Very nice, baby. Pratiksha, very nice, very nice. Sai Shankar.
Her name is Aditi.
Aditi.
Yeah.
Very nice, Aditi.
Yes, it's me. Yes.
Very nice, Sai.
So cute, so cute.
Okay.
You can
Time's
take
up.
multiple colorful aspects. Make it
Okay.
colorful as much as possible. Oh,
Yes, Mahadev.
very nice.
Yes, Mahadev.
Very nice,
I've
very
seen
nice.
it. Nice, nice.
Very beautiful.
Very good, very good, very good. Mahadev,
Okay.
very good.
Parents, I think we will just take another 2 minutes, wind this up.
Yeah, it came out very well.
And
See the
my
post,
final
Meena,
will be
yeah, the parent. That was very nice, actually. The
Sai Harshita. Sai
Sai
Harshita.
Harshita. Yeah.
And Mahamam, yours has also come up very nicely. Hey,
Yes,
kids,
Maha,
videos, as usual, Mahanti is doing it slow. You guys finished it earlier. Mahanti, this happens every time in the class, right?
yeah. I
Here
used
also.
the last one to finish.
Yeah. Sana, it is beautiful. Sana, can you show it once again to us? Yeah, wow. Very nice.
Very nice.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
Shooting Relax, it's a username. I don't know the kid's name. Maybe you can acknowledge. They showed.
Magilan. Yeah, yeah. I'm seeing Magilan.
Yeah.
Magilan.
Magilan, it is nice. Nice.
Magilan, very nice. And
Yeah, Gavin Sarvesh is also showing. Nice, Gavin.
Very nice.
Now, very and being the child with the father, and we hardly get to see the father. So, yeah, Harshit, it is nice, Harshit.
Very
So
nice.
we thought
Harshit,
we will
nice.
just see one parenting tip from us. So, Shaktiman, if you could, parents, Pirai student, it is nice. Nikita, it is beautiful. Inian, you didn't show me still?
Kindly be on mute, please. Yes. Yes, you can show it. You can show it on mute, okay? You can able to see that. Thank you.
You guys able to see my... Good to go?
Yes, good to go.
Okay. So, parents, your cooperation here, please. So, we are going again see a different parenting tip, which we all practice as a child. We also did that, and giving a name and other things. So, we are going to talk about... I'm not here. Okay, so we are going to talk about ZPD. See, what is the ZPD? It is known as a zone of proximal development, which is also known as potential development. It is a very, very important concept which help the children to do the skill development. As we normally say, we talk about two things. One is a skill, another one is a knowledge. Okay, knowledge is gained by what the child learns, what the child sees, what the child hears. But skill is a development that grows with the age. There is not only a mental development, it also involves a physical development. That's what we normally used to say if a child is just 3 years, less than 2.9 years and all. If the parent was planning to put in LKG, we normally used to say that the skill development would be a bit tougher. So, what is the skill development is all about? When the children grow, they start gradually stopping the help from us. Probably when they are just less than a year, whether they pee, they poop, we clean. After 5 years, after 3.5 years, 2.5 years, we do a potty training for them. Still, we clean their poops. After 5 years, we help them. So slowly, we stop doing the help and they start living by themselves. That is, they develop a skill to do their own activity by themselves. This is exactly how ZPD is represented. Okay. Our children are nowadays doing it, and when we are kids, we did that. I still remember, Enga party, whatever the bhakshanams, this palaharams she makes, she will not keep it down because we lived in a joint family. We were around 18 cousins living together. We will be waiting the afternoon, when the elders go for a nap. That's when we start our game. This is one of our regular activities. So, what is this? ZPD is generally, termed as taking risk. Okay. Either the child climbs up on the, grill gate that we have, or they take something which is above, or they start using this scissor, or they start using a knife, all these things, This is a life skill, okay? Why we especially talk about it today is like, nowadays, as parents, as educators, we all think like, we are worried that something will happen to the child, and the child even if the child is coming down from the sliders, we'll always be scared. I still remember how I made my first daughter come in the slide. I used to push her from the top, and before she comes down, I'll get down, run, stand here so that I take her down. But the child's activity, the child as such, the human brain is made like, if you're not able to do something, you will keep on trying for it. The best example is the child going upside down. Kupra padthukra kolanda parunga, naal fulla, every moment the child will be trying for that. The child trying to stand, the child will stand, then it will fall off. Again, it will stand, it will hold something. The way they walk, all these, okay? So, this risk taking is what that makes you achieve a new thing. Okay. The major point that as parents we have to understand is when the child is taking a risk, no matter what the outcome is, they grow confident. Seriously, I'll tell you, the confidence starts from there. So what we want to tell your child is maybe your first child, maybe your one and only child. All these things will be there for you. But do not stop the child from taking the risk. Okay, they have to take risk. They have to learn the life skill. They have to start learning independent. And it's easy for as a parent to hold the hands of a child, but we should know when to let go the hand. That's very, very, very important. Okay. These skills also help in taking more risks to improve chances of achieving future goals. What is this doing is, if you are now going to tell your child, don't do this, you are going to be, see, unless and until we fall down 5 times, you will not going to learn cycling. எவ்வளவு பேர் நம்ம சைக்கிள் கத்துக்கிச்சு, அஃப்கோர்ஸ் எனக்கு சைக்கிள் ஓட்ட தெரியாது, அது வேற விஷயம். பட் அதர்ஸ் ஐம் டெல்லிங் யூ, சைக்கிள் ஓத்தச்சு கீழே விழாம சைக்கிள் கத்துக்க முடியாது இஸ் வாட் வி ஆல்வேஸ் சே. ஓகே, ஸோ you know, this is the what that will help them. Okay, this is another example of what ZPD is all about. Okay, and here I want to emphasize what we do. Okay, see, the actual learning is a self-learning. Actually, we have a saying in Tamil, சொல்லி கொடுத்த வார்த்தையும் கட்டி கொடுத்த சோறும் ரொம்ப நாள் நிக்காது அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு very, very famous saying that we have on your place. So the actual learning starts from the self-learning. You know, many a times what happens is, you know, you will have so many things with them. You know, you will have a language, you will teach them ABCD, you will teach them 1, 2, 3, you will teach them this, you will teach them that, and the child becomes jack of all trades and king of nothing. Okay, so this isn't going to help in the way the learning goes. Okay, this isn't the way the child should be taught to learn. Okay, they have their own natural instinct towards striving something, learning something on their own. Okay, why we wanted to do this, at some point in time the parents would feel like, you know, why so many times the color red is said, why every class Shakti auntie or Maha auntie is having a circle, why every class when they trace they say do this, whenever we trace still we will say, you know, do a sleeping line, slamping line, there will be a reiteration that's happening. Okay, see, this reiteration is a major part of it, where we teach the children how to learn things on their own. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Dharani ma'am.
Yeah, you know, which is like, you know, really a heavy concept, but only request from us is, why this on a Father's Day is like, you know, there is always a mother's instinct. I study all these things, I preach all these things, am I practicing all these things as a mom? When that was a question, seriously, I'll tell you, sometimes it isn't so. Okay, so the mothers always want to hold the children's hand. Let going of the child is a very, very, very important thing at any given point in life for the child to do. So as fathers, my request is, when the child have to be let go, please take the call. Okay, I'm not saying that, you know, it should be done in pre-KG, LKG, UKG. No, that's not what we have talked about. Okay, at any age. Okay, let go the children, give them a boredom, give them a time, let them take their own. Okay, this broadly helps in learning. Okay, thank you so much. Shakti ma'am.
Yes, I want all, yes, Dharani ma'am. Yes. Okay, finally, I want all the kids to stand up. We'll dance, okay? Yes.
Parents, we want the fathers to join.
What? Yes. Kids, come on. I'm ready with the song. You're all ready?
Say stop rushing to the
Yay! Yes, thank you all. Hooray!
Thank you,
Yes,
Shakti.
all of you.
I think one session where we said 10 to 11 and we are finishing at 10 would be this, I believe. Meena ma'am, over to Meena.
Famous Tamil sayings. Annayum Pidavum Munnari Devam. Tandai Solmika Mandiram Illai. Okay, so you know well about these two. Mothers, please don't think that we are talking about the fathers. Of course, we are going to celebrate Mother's Day soon, but of course it's a Father's Day, right? So before starting the Thanksgiving speech, I would like to share a few of my thoughts about someone who is very special in all our life, father. So once you hear the word my father, what comes in your mind at first? Strike, just a strike, or just a thought. You can think and you can you can give the answers for yourself. For me, without the second word or second thought, I will say my father is my first real superhero. Okay, not only for me, but for 95% of us, always our first hero will be our father. Similarly for our children also. Okay, here I would like to tell with a very small example. I don't want to take a very lot of time, just a small example. During my school time, if someone asks about my ambition, I proudly said that I want to become an uniformed officer, just like my father. Actually, my father served and retired as a commissioner in RPF 3 years back. So while by seeing him in his uniform, I just wanted to become a uniformed officer. So he worked day and night for the nation and for our family. So my dad and my mom were the two main pillars. So they supported me and the brother in various situations. Similarly, our parents in our life, they supported us in many situations. So I just want to tell with a small example. Hope you have your own experience similar to mine actually. So when we are young, we don't understand why our father was very strict, at the same time very friendly with us. Now that we are the parents to our children, right? So and we realize that it was all to protect us and to groom us to become a responsible citizens in the society. So fathers make endless sacrifice and we fail to recognize them most of the times. And now we can feel it that he helped us to become a successful in our life and in our career also. A father's love for our children is never ending, and a good father is always there. Father, appa, dad, papa. Just a word changes, but the meaning of the father remains the same. So fathers are always there to help in shaping the children's childhood and guide them throughout their life. A good father is there to catch their infant with the open arms when the child takes the first step of life and stumbles. He is there to educate them at the youngest age, even though they might not comprehend half of the word he says. So he is there in each and situation and helps in his children's life. And greatest gift my father presented me is my hubby, who supports me always in the family and in my career. Now, I should thank my hubby also for being a very good and responsible father to my son. Not only for me, each and every mother has to thank their husband for supporting them. So I can keep on talking about the role of a father in a child's life without coming to an end, because it's just how awesome and great fathers are. Many fathers present here now would have remembered their fathers, but sometimes they are not that much expressive, even though they have love and respect to their parents. So one kind request to all the parents, all the fathers present here, specifically, just to say one word line to their father. Happy Father's Day, Appa. They will really get excited. So it seems to be so unusual, but believe me, it works as we do all these years actually. So this is a small happiness which we can give to our fathers today. So though it is a small happiness, it means a lot for them in this pandemic. And finally, I thank all the parents who did their who actively presented today and did their activities with their children and gave an effective participation for this today's session and made it so successful. So again, once again, happy Father's Day to all the fathers present here.
Yeah, thank you, Meena.
Yes, thank you,
So,
Dharni.
Thank
First
you.
time, first time in the sessions, I do not know how many of you know, I am basically an orator, Tamil speaker, okay? நிறைய மேடைகள்ல தமிழ் பேசுறாள் நானு. First time ஒரு play school அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு finish the session with 2 more திருக்குறள்ஸ், okay? First திருக்குறள் will say, தந்தை மகற்கு ஆற்றும் உதவி அவையத்து முந்தி இருப்பச் செயல். So as parents whom we are sitting here, we are responsible for our children to grow more, to be a front runner. And we are kids too, right? So let's end up saying, தந்தை மகற்கற்றும் உதவி இவன் தந்தை எநூற்றான் கொல் எனும் சொல். எப்படி இப்படி ஒரு குழந்தையை வளர்த்திருக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்ற எநூற்றான் கொல் என்ன மாதிரியான ஒரு தமிழ் அதை உயர்வுன விருச்சி அணின்னு சொல்லுவோம். It's a superlative degree. Okay, எநூற்றான் கொல் எனும் சொல். So let's make our children be the front runner. Let's make our parents proud. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you all.
Thank you,
and mothers, don't worry, we are yet to celebrate our Mother's Day and we are going to rock that day.
Mothers are there every day in the class, Meena ma'am.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
Thank you, babies.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Very deep.
Thank you, babies.